What are you doing?
Okay, everybody, I'm unboxing my game topper. So here we go. That's it.
Let's
so it's
do
gonna
it.
be a little boring at first as I cut this off.
Cutting it, cutting it, cutting it. Whoa. This is excitement.
Okay.
Oh, wow. As the knife goes through. Its next victim. This here level of taping. Oh, yes. So much closer. Dun, dun,
So now I
dun.
am gonna have to flip it around.
Don't break it.
How much Batman did you play? How are you already at 20%?
All right, go. Woo! Rotating the box. Whoa. Oh, action. I finally had like a panning camera. I was like, whoosh. Oh, whoa. Oh, yes. Turning the box. Level 2. Untaping again. Do, 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 do.
All right, here we go.
Yes, here we go.
Watch out. Pizzas.
All right. Wait a minute. Woo! Ah!
All right.
Still a mystery.
Here's the bag.
Big black bag. Oh. Yes.
I don't know what's in this, so let's
What is
see.
that?
I don't know what's in there either.
What is that?
Hopefully there's instructions.
What's that?
Well, the bag just has a zipper.
Watch out, daughter.
Trash.
Oh, Bobsy!
Oh, yay! It's your new swimming pool. Put a trash bag in it and you can go swimming.
How'd you get 20%?
Am I in your way? Sorry.
Oh man, it's in here.
Oh, yes. We have 2 swimming pools.
So this is the actual game topper itself.
Okay.
In
Game
here.
topper. Oh, what's in there?
Doesn't
Oh,
look
another
like much.
box. Another box. I don't know.
These must
This is
be
really
the
not
rails.
exciting. Should I watch
know.
do the whole thing?
No.
No? Okay.
Just pause it. Say
Okay.
we'll get back to you.
Yes. It'll be a fast forward video.